Hello there, first grade poets. It's Mrs. Davis here with your writing lesson for today, Friday, April 16th. Yay, happy Friday. All right, friends, we are actually coming to the end of our poetry unit. So for today, I thought it would be fun to give you a little free choice. That means you get to choose. So today you will choose what kind of poem you would like to work on. First, let's review the types of poems we have learned about. We learned about our five senses, our sensory poems. Poetry that tells what we see, what we hear, what we smell, what we touch, and what we taste. We have done color poetry, where we thought about all the things and objects that are that color, including what that color means to you. We did color red together, and so did this author. We have written list poems or list poetry where we listed things that related to a topic. There's a great one about birthdays, all the things they think about when they think about birthdays. We have also learned about shape poems, shape poetry, written in a shape that relates to what the poem is about. We have worked on rhyming poems. We talked about how our rhyming poems could have 2 lines where the words at the end of each line rhyme. That's called a couplet. Or 4 lines where you can have 2 lines that rhyme and 2 lines that rhyme, called a quatrain. Rhyming poems. And most recently, we've worked on our acrostic poems, where we write the topic going down vertically on the page and then begin each line across with that first letter. So today is free choice. Miss Davis did a little brainstorming. I'm going to write about the season of spring, because you all wrote about spring, but I didn't get to. So my brainstorming web here, I've included some things that I think of when I think of the season of spring. I said sunshine, flowers blooming, bugs buzzing, rain, playing outside, plants growing, rainbows, and baby animals. Those are all things I think about in spring. And I am choosing to write an acrostic poem. Remember, it's free choice, so you get to choose what kind of poem you would like, and you get to choose your topic. You don't have to write about spring like Miss Davis. I just wanted to because I haven't gotten a chance yet. So I'm thinking of my letters in spring. I've got my topic spring going down the page vertically, and then using my brainstorming web. Remember, you can be on the lookout for letters that already match up with your first letter. So I had sunshine, and I decided to switch it up a little bit and say sun shining brightly. For P, I said playing outside. I had that on my web. R, rainbows sparkling, adding a little description there. For I didn't have an I, but I took bugs and instead swapped out for the word insects. So insects buzzing happily. For N, I said new plants and flowers. And G, growing in the spring. So Miss Davis wrote a spring acrostic poem today, but you get to choose your poem for today. So we have some examples of those poems, and Miss Davis has again included those templates in the slideshow for you. So if you choose to write a new shape poem or a new list poem or a new rhyming poem, today it is your choice. You have your freedom to choose today. I also wanted to remind you, since it's Friday, don't forget to upload images of your writing from this week. You should have worked on 2 acrostic poems. Remember, Miss Davis did one about school, and then I did one for my mom for Mother's Day. So you should also have 2 acrostic poems and then your free choice poem from today. All right, we can't wait to see your writing. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.